Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Dark Holo Water Marble. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors that I'll be using for today's water marble are red licorice, magenta jelly, purple Slushie, blue Freezie, with indigo away as my base color, all of these from Holo Taco. And once I'm done with my base color, I'll be protecting around my nails with liquid latex. As usual, for a water marble, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once the bullseye is complete, I'm going to go ahead and draw from the center out to 2 sides, and then I'm going to go ahead and draw in some skinny petals. I'm going to be dipping my nails in 2 at a time at kind of a 45-degree angle. Once you've dipped your nails, go ahead and clean up any excess polish from the surface so that that doesn't stick on top of your design. And then slowly pull your nails out, which will break any bubbles around the edges. Sometimes the bubbles will let off a little bit more polish, and you want to try to clean that out also before you pull out. And there's the water marble. Since I went with all latex instead of tape, my fingers are stuck together a little bit. I think I can kind of, yeah. Sometimes they'll pull apart, sometimes not, but I'm going to go ahead and remove the protection, then water marble the rest of my nails. I'm going to go ahead and move on to cleanup using a Q-tip for any larger areas and also to clean up under the nail. Once I'm done with the cleanup, I'll be making sure to press any bubbles flat. finally, I'll be finishing off with top coat, and today I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. I had a few troubles getting started because with my air conditioning on this time of year, I have a few drafts in my room that I don't usually have to deal with, but I'm really glad that I got it to cooperate because this really turned out fantastic. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial, that will be up here on YouTube shortly. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. These are, of course, some of the same colors that I used for the rainbow water marble, but over a darker base, they have a lot different personality, and I think it actually makes the holo pop out even stronger, as you can see here under the flashlight. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this one down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and of course, as always, thanks for watching.